Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can send you voice messages in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right and tap on settings. Then in the settings section we have to select privacy and security. And in the privacy and security section, under privacy, we have to tap on voice messages, this one. And here we can just select who can send us voice messages or video calls. The only problem, or setback rather, with this function is that it is only for premium users. So you have to have a premium Telegram account to use this function. But if you have one, you can edit it here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.